Hello, I'm Graham Barry and I'm a coach with Virtual Peer. As a professional coach, I work with people all over the world, and anxiety is the topic that comes up most often. Anxiety can creep up on us, starting small but gradually overwhelming us. It can affect our emotions, our sleep, our mind and our body. This group is for people who would like to reduce their anxiety so it becomes something useful rather than something that scares you and holds you back. This group will help you to feel that you're not alone, and it will help you to understand where and when your anxiety began to grow a bit too big. It'll give you some strategies for feeling calmer and more relaxed, and it'll help you to put those strategies into action so you see some progress. You can expect in this group to feel calm, relaxed, and safe. I'll be there helping people to have really useful conversations in which they bring their questions and challenges and leave with ideas, insights, and inspiration. You don't have to keep living with too much anxiety. Join this group today to start feeling calmer and more relaxed more often.